Good morning, student. Today our 10th standard biology topic is translocation of sugars. Okay? The mechanism of translocation of sugar from source to sink through pressure flow. Hypothesis: glucose prepared at source by photosynthesis. Okay? It is converted to sucrose. Okay? The mechanism of transferring sugars from source into glucose prepared at source by converting the sugars converted into sucrose. Okay, the sucrose moves into companion cells into the living phloem sieve tube cell by active transport. Then the process produced by a hypertonic condition in the phloem. The water is adjacent xylem moves into the phloem by osmosis. Then the osmotic process build up. The phloem sap moves to areas are lower pressure. By active transport, sucrose move into the cells where it is utilized or stored. Okay? Then the active transport at the time the sucrose move into the cells, then it will be utilized or it will be stored. Okay? The sugar are removed, the osmotic pressure decreases and water moves out from the mother. Then it will the osmotic pressure at the time the sugar are removed, when the pressure of osmotic, then water moves out of the phloem. Okay? The ascent shape and it is events and overview. Okay? The upward movement of the water minerals from the root, different plant parts in the called ascent of shape. Okay? The upward movement of the water, it is called ascent of shape. The upward movement of the different parts of the parts from the root, that is called ascent of shape. The number of factor play a role of ascent shape and it is take place in the following step. Okay? Root pressure. First one is root pressure. Ascent shape. See the picture. Transpiration. First one is capillary action result in the rise of the water base by the stem. Osmosis pushes water to root gears. Okay? The osmosis process pushes the water to root gears. Then it will be enter into the stem. Then capillary action result in the result of the base of the stem. The root process pushes the water to stem. Then Atkinson cohesion makes column of water molecule. Then transpiration creates a transpiration full. Okay. First one is root pressure. Okay. Water from the soil enter the root gears due to the osmosis. Then root pressure is responsible for the movement of water of the base of the stem. Root pressure is a very, very important factor. It's the responsible factor movement of water up to the base of the stem. Then capillary action. Water or AD liquid rises in the capillary tube because the physical forces through the water enter in the capillary tube. This phenomenon is called capillary action. The same way, the stem water rises up to the certain height because the capillary action. The stem water also rises in the certain things. Okay, that is called capillary action. Then third one is Atkinson cohesion of water molecule. Water molecule from the continuous column, the xylem, because the force of adhesion and cohesion among the molecule. Okay, then cohesion force, the force of attraction between the molecule of water is called, the force of between the water and molecule, it is called cohesion. Okay, then adhesion, the force of attraction between the molecule of different substance is called adhesion. Okay, the force of attraction between the molecule and molecule of water is called cohesion, water of molecule. Then force of attraction between the molecule of different substance. Okay, the molecule having a different substance is called adhesion. Water molecule stick to xylem because the force of adhesion. Water molecule stick to xylem because the force of adhesion. Okay, then transpiration full. Okay, transpiration through the stomata creates vacuum, which create a suction. Okay, then called transpiration. The transpiration bull sucks the water column from the xylem tubes and thus the water is able to rise to create the suck the water from the transpiration pool. The xylem tubes and the water is able to rise to create kite even the tallest plant. The xylem, the suck the water, then it will be in the water rise the create kite even in the tallest plant. Okay, that is called transpiration full. Thank you, student. Today homework is translocation of sugars and ascent of shape in its events, then transpiration full. Thank you, students.